Hi guys!
Hi! And now we're in the game!
It's SalahSocials here and we've been invited down to Drayton Manor to enjoy the
Viking Festival.
Yes, it's here every Saturday, so we're going to make the most of it and we want you to come with us.
So you pull your Viking face out.
Let's go. In the pizza and pasta cave. What do you think about your pizza?
Good.
Lovely, isn't it? What about you, Dan? Do you like yours? Yeah. Pizza! Actually, so good. And this is a plastic cup. Can we keep it?
If you want. I'm not sure it matches the deco, but we'll go for it.
No, but do we have to keep it? Do we have to keep it back?
The calm. Give it a go. Arms out and shout, cheer! Brilliant!
Oh, easy girl, easy. Easy. Woo.
Oh,
Easy
certainly
girl.
looking a bit cross. Come on, everyone. Put your arms up and shout, cheer! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Cheer!
Oh, thank goodness, Rory.
Now, this is our baby dragon. Her name is Fafnir, but we call her Fifi for short.
Oh, everyone say hello, Fifi. Clap your wings.
Like a dragon, shake your tail like a dragon,
Shake your
like
tails.
a dragon, everybody roar like a dragon.
Roar. Wow, well done, everybody. Now you know all the moves.
Your feet like a dragon,
Stamp your feet.
like a dragon, flap your wings like a dragon,
Clap your wings.
like a dragon, shake your tail like a dragon, shake your tail like a dragon.
You don't see Mama! You see Thomas! Gonna see Thomas! Thank you. What are we gonna watch?
Spider-Man!
No.
Very good!
Thomas!
Oh,
Thomas the Tank Engine! Mama, you ready? Mama, you ready? Yeah!
it's a pure Superman!
What, you went to the cinema?
I know we back!
It's Splash!
With a splash now.
What else was in there? I can't hear you, Mum. Turn around. He did what, Mum? Did he? Thomas! And did the water splash in our face? And the lights?
What about the wind? You sat on there.
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Let's go on the next ride then. So we've been here now for like 2 hours and we've not even made it through a quarter of the park yet. It's so big and there's just so much to do. And yeah, we're just walking our way around. But as you can see, Jai's doing on his little rides. How was the rides, Mama? How were they?
Yeah?
Were you being brave? So yeah, we'll keep taking you with us. Let's show you what else there is. But this is definitely a place to go. Are you having fun, Dad?
Yeah, I'm having a great time, thank you.
Are you having fun, Mama? Are you having fun? Yeah. What about you, Jai? You having fun, Jai? Ready to go on your first ride? Hello, Mr. Mole. You want to go on the Thomas aeroplane? Yeah, shall we go? Are you ready? Let's go. Yeah. Wow, Mama, you excited? Did I?
Now we're on the airplane.
He is on an
It's
airplane.
Jai's first ride.
His first ride. Yes, Mama, well done. Mommy! Daddy! You're driving! You're so cool, Mom.
Thomas.
Is that Thomas?
Yeah.
Wow, who else is here? Who's that? The green guy. What's his name? Whoa!
How was Thomas Land? Good!
You do a jump and a thumbs up like this. Ha!
Did you? your first time on the rides? You went on an airplane? Clay, big boy. Are you ready for some dinner? Dinner? Do you know I want some dinner? Come on then, let's go get some dinner. Let's go get the boys. I just rode a horse! I just rode a horse! Are you ready to get some dinner? I'm so hungry.
I'm full.
You want a slushie? Where's your manners?
Peace.
And say thank you, Drayton Manor.
Thank you for my manners,
Say thank you, Drayton Manor.
Thank you, Mason, Mama.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Let's go get dinner then. Mummy? Mummy? The theme park's closing now. Did you have fun? Did you? Yeah, they're gonna brush their teeth and get ready for bed. The fire breathers.
Why are they going to brush their teeth, Daddy?
They're going for bed.
And then what else? What did they eat?
They ate fire.
Oh, yes.
That's going to make your breath smelly, right?
You? Yeah, what is it? Okay, then show me. Whoa, that's a cool craft pack, isn't it? Yeah, that's incredible. Yeah. Finally here in the room. We've spent the day in the park. We went for some dinner. We've had the best time. But there is a little golf course apparently outside. So maybe if we wake up early enough in the morning we can go there.
Crazy golf.
Yeah, mini golf.
Tiger Woods, y'all.
But yeah, we're gonna stay tonight, eat breakfast in the morning, then we're going home. But as of this far, it's been incredible. Did you have fun, boys?
I was going home and was sitting and going to bed.
Yes, they did need to brush their teeth. Did you have fun too, big boy?
Was
Your
it
first
fun?
ever ride.
Thank you so much, Drayton Manor. We will see you in the morning. Say bye. Bye. We've had breakfast. We forgot to film because we had no battery. It was charging in the room, but it was delicious. Did you enjoy your breakfast, Jai?
Yes, I have Cocoa Pops
Cocoa Pops. And blueberry buns. But yeah, we had such a good trip. Thank you so much, Drayton Manor.
Thank you. Bye.